Welcome to our journey through the ancient wonders of Cairo. Situated on the banks of the River Nile for over 6,000 years, Cairo has been a crossroads of civilization, a place where history has left an indelible mark on every corner. Get ready to explore the rich history and breathtaking sights of this incredible city. From the towering Pyramids of Giza to the bustling alleys of Khan el-Khalili, we will uncover the secrets and stories that make Cairo a truly unforgettable destination. Here on the edge of the Sahara Desert stand the last surviving remnants of the seven wonders of the ancient world, the Pyramids of Giza. These colossal structures, built as tombs for the pharaohs, have stood for millennia, silent witnesses to the passage of time. The sheer scale of these monuments is awe-inspiring. The largest, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, is made up of over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. How these blocks were quarried, transported and placed with such precision remains a mystery, a testament to the ingenuity and engineering prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Walking in the shadows of these giants, one can't help but feel a sense of wonder and humility. It's as if the very stones whisper tales of a glorious past, inviting us to unravel their mysteries. Guarding the Giza Plateau is another marvel of ancient engineering, the Sphinx. This enigmatic creature with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh has captivated the imagination of travelers and scholars for centuries. Carved from a single block of limestone, the Sphinx is a testament to the artistic skill of the ancient Egyptians. Over the millennia, the Sphinx has been ravaged by wind and sand, its features slowly eroding. Yet, even in its weathered state, the Sphinx retains an aura of power and mystery. The enigmatic smile of the pharaoh seems to hold secrets from a distant past, secrets that continue to intrigue and fascinate us today. Our journey takes us now to the heart of Cairo, to the Egyptian Museum, a treasure trove of ancient artifacts and relics. Within these walls lies an unparalleled collection of ancient Egyptian art and history, each object whispering tales of pharaohs and gods, of life and death in a civilization that flourished for over 3,000 years. Here we come face to face with the funerary mask of Tutankhamun, a masterpiece of craftsmanship in gold and lapis lazuli. In another gallery we find ourselves surrounded by intricate hieroglyphics, their cryptic symbols offering a glimpse into the beliefs and rituals of a long-vanished world. The Egyptian Museum is not merely a repository of artifacts, it is a portal to the past, a place where we can connect with the ancient Egyptians on a deeply human level. No trip to Cairo is complete without experiencing the vibrant chaos of Khan el-Khalili, a labyrinthine bazaar that has been a center of trade for over 6 centuries. This is the beating heart of Islamic Cairo, a place where the scents of spices mingle with the sound of bargaining, where ancient crafts are still practiced with skill and artistry. Stepping into the narrow alleyways of Khan el-Khalili is like stepping back in time. Here, coppersmiths hammer intricate designs onto pots and trays, while artisans weave colorful tapestries and carpets. The air is thick with the aroma of strong coffee and sweet shisha, a sensory overload that is both exhilarating and enchanting. Our final destination takes us to the Citadel of Saladin, a medieval fortress that has stood watch over Cairo for over 800 years. From its ramparts we are rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the city, a sprawling metropolis where ancient and modern coexist in a vibrant tapestry. Built in the 12th century by Saladin, the legendary Kurdish sultan, the citadel has served as a palace, a fortress, and a seat of power for centuries. Today, it houses several museums and mosques, including the magnificent Mosque of Muhammad Ali, with its towering minarets and alabaster walls. As we stand here, gazing out at the city below, we are reminded of Cairo's enduring spirit, a city that has weathered the storms of history and emerged as a vibrant hub of culture and commerce. Thank you for joining us on this tour of ancient Cairo's wonders. From the timeless grandeur of the pyramids to the vibrant energy of the Khan el-Khalili Bazaar, Cairo offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore the magic of this ancient city for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and explorations.